Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial hardware with a focus on a crucial component for boat trailers: the hot-dipped galvanized square U-bolts. These U-bolts aren't just any U-bolts. They're crafted with precision and designed to withstand the harshest marine environments. Let's break down why they're considered some of the best in the market. First off, these U-bolts are made from hot-dipped galvanized steel, ensuring a robust build that's resistant to rust and corrosion. The galvanization process coats the steel with a thick layer, making it ideal for marine applications where exposure to water is constant. Compared to standard U-bolts, the hot-dipped galvanized finish on these ensures longevity and durability, giving you peace of mind whether you're trailering your boat through saltwater or freshwater environments. Sized at 1x2 diameter with a 3 1x16 width and 4 5x16 length. These U-bolts are specifically designed for a secure fit on 3x3 square beams and shafts commonly found on boat trailers. They come complete with all necessary hardware: hexagon nuts, flat washers, and lock washers, also galvanized for added protection. When installing, remember to use a hand wrench or socket ratchet rather than high-speed power tools. This ensures proper tightening without risking damage to the nuts or washers. In conclusion, if you're in the market for U-bolts that combine strength, durability, and excellent corrosion resistance, look no further than these hot-dipped galvanized square U-bolts. They're designed to keep your boat trailer secure and reliable for years to come. That wraps up our review of the hot-dipped galvanized square U-bolts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and insights. Until next time, this has been Product Critique, helping you make informed decisions about the products you buy.